Hi, I've recently joined Lewis Smith's Dropship Unlocked masterclass. The biggest challenge that I faced before joining the course was that in the past I've been dropshipping for a couple of years, but I've always used the sort of Chinese supplier model and hadn't really found success or anyone in the UK kind of talking about dropshipping from a UK specific angle essentially. So far in the program, I've really enjoyed Lewis's direct involvement with the program and the fact that you join a community of like-minded individuals who are all kind of striving to become successful in the dropshipping space as well. There are many cheap courses out there, but I decided to choose this masterclass because of the real specific UK focus that Lewis brings to dropshipping. It's not something that I'd previously seen or have had access to in the past, so I was very interested in getting into the mentorship, which is solely focused on other UK dropshippers and also has Lewis at the helm, who's very involved and who's had some major success in the past. So it's a great person to learn from. The live coaching calls, firstly, very important to me because in the past I've bought some courses where you essentially have old pre-recorded videos with no real help or advice and nothing current and up to date. And I think that this kind of e-commerce space moves on very quickly. So having the weekly calls and speaking to Lewis whenever you need to, twice a week, who's also running stores, I think is invaluable and something that I really wanted when I was looking at making the investment. So far, I've really learned to set my business up in the right, get the fundamentals correct from right at the start, rather than trying to do everything quickly and take shortcuts. It's been much more of a comprehensive overview. And if anyone's unsure of joining the program, I would say definitely, if you're committed to making this a real business and a real long-term, proper, not a get-rich-quick scheme, but something which you can reap the rewards of, in the months and years to come, and something that can be incredibly stable as an income earner, then I would say this is the right course for you. If you have tried Chinese suppliers in the past and are looking, moving away from that model and looking for something more sustainable, then this is definitely the right course. And, as I said before, if you are interested in having a real UK focus and building a brand which focuses on working with UK suppliers and, through that, achieving next day delivery, I think it's really the right course.